Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Are you planning an event and you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want the event to look spectacular? I have a DIY for you using mostly Dollar Tree items. I created this diamond ring centerpiece for a bridal shower, birthday party, women's luncheon, women's retreat, whatever you want to use it for. And I created it using mostly Dollar Tree items. If you're interested to see how I did it, stay tuned. The items you're going to need is a reef foam. This foam that I got from the floral section in Dollar Tree. Got these gems. You can use glitter if you like. Paint. And I'm going to be using these 3 jingle blocks. I'm going to glue those together to form the base. Done here is attach the reef foam to the base. And now I'm going to attach the other foam to the reef foam to form the diamond. I'm going to use the toothpicks just to hold it until I can put some glue on it. Have to put it over on the side because that foam is so thick. It's thicker than the toothpick. Okay, so I got everything all glued together. I got this, the foam taped to the base until that glue cures good to it. I use this all-purpose glue from Walmart that I love, the Duro all-purpose glue and hot glue. And then as you've seen, I used 2 toothpicks on each side of the what's going to be the top of the ring. Then I glued it down and taped it down. So I'm just waiting. I'm going to wait about 30 minutes and let this adhere. And then I'm going to paint the entire thing and I'll be back. Okay, everybody. I got my foam pieces all painted silver. I just wanted to paint mine. You could use glitter, but I really don't like glitter. I just pulled it out. But what I'm going to do now is just decorate my ring. I think I'm gonna use these. I'm not sure if I got these from the Dollar Tree or I'm not sure where they came from. Or either I might use this adhesive. I don't know. I gotta play with it. Let's see. So isn't that cute? That'll be a cute little centerpiece for a bridal shower, birthday party, a women's luncheon. Possibilities are endless. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this diamond part and see how this turns out. So I'll be back. And this is how it's looking so far. Cute, right? So I am gonna have to go back when I finish and Mod Podge this entire area because these stones are coming loose. But look at that. Is that not cute? Does that not look like a diamond ring centerpiece? So I'm gonna do the top and I'll be back. And to go back to these rhinestones, I think I got this in friend mail. I think these came from Hobby Lobby. Now this is the progress. I just got one little space left. And these were a count of 500 gems. So that's a lot of gems on there. So you may want to just use your adhesive wrap. But since I had those, I decided to go ahead and use them. And I did find some gemstones. These are from the Dollar Tree to finish it up. And they have 315. I thought I had another sheet of these, but I couldn't find them. So thankfully I got these. They're the same. Well, they're a little clearer, but that's okay. clearer than these are more iridescent. Like, I don't know if you can see that on camera. So let me pause this and see if I can find the other pack I thought I seen. Yay, I found them. Ah. Yeah, so we'll save these for another project. These Dollar Tree ones, put them over to the side. Yeah, because I like how iridescent that is. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but yeah. So I'm going to finish this out. And yeah, I'm liking this. I like the plain band look. I'm a simple kind of person. I like nice things, but I like simplicity. I love that these are adhesive. Just pull them off. Go to the next one. For some reason this glue melted the foam, and this glue wasn't even hot, but anyway, this is gonna be the back of it. But anyway, this is it. So I think I'm gonna be a little extra, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put some diamonds down the side of it. Everybody, this is the final result. So tell me in the comment section if I was setting this centerpiece up for your bridal shower, birthday, whatever type event, would you want the diamonds on the side, or would you just like for it to be plain? Tell me in the comment section. And then if you're setting this centerpiece up, you know, to kind of camouflage the base right here, you could just add some flowers, because of course you're gonna have some type of flowers if it's a bridal shower. Just any type flowers, you can camouflage it with the flowers, any type flowers. So that's it. I hope this video gave you some inspiration. I was inspired to create this DIY from a young lady on here. I can't think of the name of her channel right now, but I will link her channel in the description box to give her credit, because this was not my idea, but I just tweaked it a little bit. Mine is not exactly like hers, but the concept is still the same. So I believe in giving credit to whoever, you know, inspires me, because I'm not here to take credit for something I did not create, because I have enough of my own ideas. So this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually had fun creating this, and I think I'm gonna keep this for a future event. So in the inspirational video, she also did one for the male band, and it was just a plain band. I thought that was great, but I chose to only do the ladies band. So this is it, everyone. This is Miss V. I'm continue to show you love, and will always help you save some money. Thank you and have a nice day.